determine the minimum and the maximum values of the function f of x equals x cubed minus 6x squared minus 15x minus 1. Now to do this, we need to first find the first derivative. That is f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 12x minus 15. Now here we need to satisfy the first condition. That is at the turning point f prime of x equals 0. This means that we have to equate 3x squared minus 12x minus 15 to 0. This is a quadratic equation. You can solve this equation using any method that you like, but this quadratic equation can be factorized, so I'm going to factorize it. Minus 15 times 3 gives minus 45, and the factors of minus 45, when added to give you negative 12, that is the coefficient of x, is positive 3 and minus 15. So I've expanded the minus 12. Now, if I factorize 3x out, I have x plus 1 in the bracket, and if I factorize minus 15 out, I have x plus 1 in the bracket. So this simplifies to become x plus 1 times 3x minus 15. So we take x plus 1 equal to 0, meaning x equal to 1. We take 3x minus 15 equal to 0, meaning x equals 15 divided by 3. That gives positive 5. Now, we need to find the corresponding values of these x values. So if x equal to negative 1, we put negative 1 into the original equation to get our y value. So we take negative 1 cubed minus 6 times negative 1 squared minus 15 times negative 1 minus 1. This simply gives us positive 7. Then we put in x equal 5. So we take f of 5 equals 5 cubed minus 6 times 5 squared minus 15 times 5 minus 1. And this gives us negative 101. Wow. So we need to determine which of these pairs of values is minimum and which is maximum. To do this, we need to look at the second condition. That is, we need to find the second derivative of the function. So from the first derivative, that is from 3x squared minus 12x minus 15, if we differentiate it again, we have 6x minus 12. So we put in negative 1 into the second derivative, and this will give us negative 18, which is less than 0. Then if we put in positive 5 into the second derivative, it will give us 6 times 5 is 30, minus 12 will give us a positive 18, which is greater than 0. So here we can just write this simple thing. Since f prime of negative 1 is f prime of negative 1 is less than 0, then the negative 1 and the 7 give us a maximum point, and since f prime of 5 is greater than 0, then 5 and negative 101 gives us a minimum point. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for us to build the mathematics community.